All right, and last, but definitely not least.
So our Zippa is a very popular cocktail here. We designed it to go specifically with oysters. It's going to be great with your ceviche too that Pat made for us. But it's all about the interplay of gin, lemon, and absinthe. And I got a little extra added to that as well for interest. Suze is a gentian root-based liqueur from France, and the absinthe. And like I said, I just use a little bit.
I mean, anise goes a long way.
To measure it, yeah. If you add the right amount, it just is an undercurrent and it doesn't dominate. It's not like biting into a black licorice or anything. You can add like chocolatiness to a barrel-aged spirit, or it can add a really nice complexity to something like this.
Cool.
So I said lemon, but also I'm adding a little bit of grapefruit too. Like grapefruit adds some nice earthiness along with the Suze. And some sugar. You want to have body in a cocktail. You don't want it to be thin. It's not the experience you want. And then I'm using Leopold's gin out of Denver. It's my favorite gin. It's a nice botanical or a nice citrusy American gin. Doesn't have quite a heart of a juniper quality that a London Dry will have.
Doesn't taste like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, I have one that tastes like a Christmas tree though. That's another cocktail.
That always reminds me of my grandpa's liquor cabinet.
So this gets the most shake because it's going to go up. It's never going to get colder. It's never going to get more diluted than when I serve it. And I'm double straining it because I don't want
Very smooth.
chips in this.
Super smooth.
You can see the gentian root liqueur gives it that bright yellow, and then the absinthe gives it what's called a louche, makes it kind of jade-like, kind of smoky looking, kind of translucent. That's the Zippa.
That's the Zippa. I'm thirsty. Thirsty and hungry. All right. Boom. A zoom.